Alright, let's talk about something every PC user needs to know: how to keep your computer cool. Overheating isn't just annoying, it can actually slow down your performance and even damage your hardware. So here are some easy tips to keep things running smooth. First up, airflow is king. Make sure your PC isn't shoved into a tight corner or pressed up against a wall. Your fans need room to breathe. If your computer's got those dust bunnies lurking inside, grab some compressed air, power down your system, and gently blow out the dust, especially from the fans and vents. Trust me, you'll see a difference. Next up, check those fans. Is your PC making weird noises? Spinning fans that sound like jet engines or aren't spinning at all need your attention. Swap out any broken ones and consider adding more fans if you've got space. One intake at the front, one exhaust at the back, and you're golden. Feeling fancy? Think about upgrading to an aftermarket CPU cooler or even liquid cooling. Stock coolers are fine, but if you're gaming or doing heavy work, an upgrade will keep temps way down. And don't forget software. Keep an eye on your temperatures with free tools like HDW Monitor or Core Temp. If things are getting toasty, it's time to take action. So that's it. Airflow, dust control, good fans, maybe a cooler upgrade, and always keep an eye on your temps. Keep your PC cool, and it'll keep you in the game.